All right, guys, good morning. Good morning. Welcome to our morning note. It is December 23rd, 2021. My name is Carlos Garcia, founder and CEO of G.A.R Capital. Thank you so much for joining me this morning and every morning, 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Just a heads up before we begin, tomorrow the market is closed, so no morning note tomorrow, no aftermarket recap. Enjoy your Christmas Eve and your Christmas holiday. Before we begin as well, bottom right-hand corner of your screen, a little white logo, click on that. Turn on notifications. Subscribe to our channel, obviously. Hit that like button for me, it really helps the algos. And of course, comment any of your questions. I had a question last night regarding AMC. Was happy to answer that question. Thank you for that question. I forget who wrote it. I don't have it in front of me. But thank you again for that question. Again, guys, if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to comment on any video. I get the notification. I will answer myself. I'll answer to the best of my abilities. Be a lot of chilling in the house. So I may just do like an Ask Me Anything during, kind of the chill time. My wife's family doesn't come in until Sunday, so Saturday and Friday kind of chill mode. Probably a lot of COD, so I'll have a little bit of time on my hands. So feel free to shoot me a question on the comment section. Maybe anything you have, finance or stock market related, and I'll answer it to the best of my abilities. If not, I'll find out the answer. I can always Google or ask my team. All right, so let's talk about it. Dow futures up 103 points, NASDAQ up 0.18, S&P broke that key level I was talking about yesterday, 4,700. Watch that number, 2232 for the Russell. It's up 0.59%, doing better than the other averages. 1.458% on terms of the 10-year. The dollar is up slightly, 0.11%. The VIX, again, under 20 is a really good sign, down 0.59% at 1852. Crude oil is up 0.65%, 73.21. Gold is actually up today slightly, 1808 an ounce, 2284 for silver futures. They're up slightly. And dollar yen for my Forex people, 113.02, minus 24 pips. 114.27, up 15 pips for the dollar yen. Ethereum futures are down 1.35% at 39.51. Still kind of hovering that 4,000 range for Ethereum. Bitcoin down 0.74% at 48,680. $2.18 for gasoline futures currently per gallon. All right, so a couple of headlines, and then we'll take a look at the charts here. Let's see, quick one here. Remember I talked about moving averages on S&P on the daily. How about this note? The S&P 500 ETF, this is SPY, has not closed below its 200-day moving average since May 2020. This is the fourth. Now this is now the fourth longest streak since its inception in 1993, meaning SPY. So let's take a look at the ETF SPY together. I'll go ahead and expand the chart. I want you to see exactly what he's talking about. Let's go to the daily. You could actually, I'll go ahead and go to, that's the daily. Again, you could see that red line is the 200-day moving average. We haven't even flirted with it. But if we go ahead and expand it to a 3-year chart, the 200-day right here, you could see broke back in March. That was a real crash. That was a real dip. We had a little dip. This is a little dip. This is the real stuff. So I get why, remember we bought stock then. Obviously it did very well. Again, when we get another dip and an opportunity, I'll definitely go on YouTube and answer your questions, because I think that was like the highest viewed video that we ever did, was when markets go nuts and everyone wants to know what's the deal. If you go ahead and expand it, again, since 1993, we've broken the 200-day before, but hasn't broken since obviously 2020, and then before that we've broken, I think, 2012. So again, the market has been very resilient lately, of course. Definitely a nice streak. Looking at SPY, again, right here, we can see 469.31. If that does break above, I think you can start taking a look at the 472s for next week, possibly the 473s, depending on volume. Just keep a heads up. Today, volumes will be very thin. Yesterday, the volumes were very low as well on the NYSE. I think it was at the lowest in like 13 weeks. So pretty low. So don't expect tons of movement. I still have some QQQ calls open. We're in the money on that, which is nice to see. I think we have the 393s. It's about to hit 395. We had some Apple calls, but we were just a little too early. That dip on Monday really hurt premiums. So that's going to be an L. I also did AMC with the students. Just didn't have enough juice. We were right there at 32. We were expecting that retest of 33 in the resistance. Didn't happen. But that's okay. We hit SPY, Qs, we hit Boeing yesterday, we hit IWM yesterday, so we did pretty good. for the week. I'm very happy that we were very resilient with the popping market. Again, yeah, Tuesday, Wednesday, and today will be, again, according to historical data, that these will be the 3 best days of 2021 in the calendar. So let's see how next week comes. So I wouldn't trade anything for today expiry, obviously. I would wait for next week. In terms of investing, really, again, guys, when it's a dip, that's when a nice dip, that's when you start looking to buy. The last time I bought a stock was SpyG on Tuesday at the lows. I'm buying SpyG again today. It's automatic. I just let it ride. It's my reoccurring investment. Excuse me. Whoa. All right, that's pretty much it. I mean, there's just not much going on. I'll bring up my crypto port here if you guys want to take a look. Let me go ahead and update it. Yeah, I mean, up marginally, up 0.17% today in the portfolio. Nothing has really changed. Shiba went up. Polygon has been on fire. Luna has been on fire. Tezos is kind of chugging along. Stellar's been chugging along. Ripple's okay. Shiba bouncing. But really, my main heaviest holdings are Bitcoin and Ethereum. And again, I'm not going to close them anytime soon. So I'll let you guys know when I do. Okay, let's answer some questions. Good morning, Dero. Morning thoughts on crypto for next year. Bullish. I expect us to continue to be bullish. I had a call for 100K on Bitcoin this year. Hey, crazier things have happened, but I doubt that's going to happen. What do you think about SoFi long term? SoFi is okay to own long term. I like Upstart a little more, but SoFi isn't bad. I don't own it because I already have PayPal and I already have Square. So I already have some fintech. Let's see, what do you think about BRKB breakout? Again, what's the biggest holding of BRKB? Apple. So, again, if you don't want to buy BRK, you can just always own Apple as an example. But again, BRKB is fine. It's right back at the 100-day moving average. If you're trying to trade it, there is a gap to fill right at 300. So if there's volume, take a look at it. If you want to buy here, that's okay too. I don't think it's a bad level, but really the level was right here at the 200-day. That was the level you were looking for, and we tapped it and we did it. So anything a retest of 280, 278, I think that'd be another buy zone to do it. Hi, bro. What do you think about Square hit the floor? I think most stocks hit the floor, to be honest with you. So I love Square. I own it. You could see it looks like right around that 158 level seems to be that bottom. As you can see, the S&P is moving up. So some of the high beta names have been beaten down. Roku, Square are starting to bounce with the market. You can see Roku the same. You could see Baba the same kind of a bounce, but not out of the woods yet. Baba does have an upside gap to fill. Square doesn't have any gaps to fill. PayPal has one gap to fill. So again, that's going to take time to fill. It's going to take time to bounce back. It's not going to happen overnight. Thoughts on a VLTA chart? Can it go lower? Definitely could. The reason I say this is there's a double top here. So again, that double top can tell me that we're going to probably retest $6.79 just on the chart. I don't know about this company, but again, if you're looking to buy there, I would wait for that level. Morning, boss. Do you think we managed to salvage Apple 180 with the rally in the last few days? No, the Monday just nuked the premiums, unfortunately. Unless we get a huge short squeeze to 180, I'm going to hold it. Again, let's see if we get that push. It's a full day today anyways. It's not like we're closing early, the market. So again, I'm watching. Hey, if we can get to around 182, the highs, crazier things have happened. We'll see. But, I mean, it's not exactly a lot of hope there. Favorite stock, ETF, and crypto going to 22. Ooh, okay, the top 10 stock is coming in soon, so I'm going to post that. So I'm going to leave that. ETF is SpyG, hands down my favorite. And crypto, I'm going to go with Ethereum next year. 2022, I think Ethereum outperforms. That's what I'm going to say. But thank you for your question, guys. Let's see here if there's anything more. All right, no one has any more questions. All right, man, well, I'm starving. I need to go have some breakfast. We'll go and leave it there, guys. Please hit that like button. I really appreciate it. If you know anyone who would like these kind of videos, I do them daily. Share it with some of your friends. See if they like it. Again, we just want to expand the channel to help as many people as possible. Any questions, of course, the comment section. If it's after hours, I'll see you guys at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time today for our aftermarket recap, and we'll see how the market did today. Have a great rest of your day, guys. We'll leave it there. And if I don't see you guys or speak to you again, have a Merry Christmas to your family. If I don't speak to you for New Year's, have a Happy New Year as well. G.A.R Capitalfx.com is website. My name is Carlos Garcia, your humble host. I'll catch you guys Monday for the morning note, today for the aftermarket recap. Cheers.